I'm going to show you how to create a bevel gear connection in Creo Parametric. We start by downloading a pair of bevel gears, then assemble them properly with pin connections, create a gear connection between them, and finally test the motion using a servo motor. Okay, if you want to download the components, you go to Solid Components, choose Transmission, Bevel Gears, one company, and the ratio that you want, and you look at the geometry here and choose your geometry. I go for this one, module 3, and you download the PDF for the geometry and you download the step file. You choose step file here and you download it. I can provide you the link for this page, and you can just click download PDF and step file. Okay, so when you import the files as step files, you don't have any planes and any axes, just coordinate systems. So you can create 3 planes and 2 axes for the assembly, and 3 planes and 1 axis for each part. When you're done with your planes and axes, you can color the parts if you want. 3 planes and 1 axis for each part, as you can see. You go to assembly, you go to you just click on one part, edit definition, go to pin connection and make this, choose the axis, this axis and this axis. And for the translation, it should be perpendicular to the planes, to the axis. The plane should be perpendicular to the axis. This distance should be 59, and for the rotation, you just choose the X plane and the X plane here, and just make the set to 0 and enable regeneration value. So when you regenerate, when you rotate the component and you regenerate with Ctrl G, you go back to the position that you just did. Now you go to the second part, edit definition, pin connection, choose the axis that you want, this axis and this axis. For the translation, it should be these 2 planes, and the distance should be A1, 86. And for the rotation, it goes back. So just choose X and X here. X and X plane for this. X plane and X plane. Okay. Set to 0, regeneration value. Okay. Now we can test hide everything and test rotating. It's looking good. Regenerate. Now you can go to make the connection, applications, mechanism, gear connections, and you can go to bevel gears, choose this axis, and choose the other axis for the other gear, this pinion. Now I don't have the exact diameter, but I know the teeth number, so I go, instead of diameter, pitch diameter, user defined. For the first one it was 45, the number of teeth, and 15, and you press OK. You press OK. Maybe I haven't chosen this. Yeah, you press OK. Now you can test your connection. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, and we go back to the same position. You can color the teeth and check if the ratio is correct, gear ratio, regeneration. Now we can go make a servo motor, and just let me put it here and make this angular velocity of maybe 360 degrees per second, and properties, yeah, just make a new analysis. For analysis, kinematic study, 10 seconds, frame rate, let's go 64 times 4, or maybe 60, just 64. Run. This is running pretty good. And you can go to playback later if you want to look at the study. Like and subscribe if you learned something. Thank you.